This is Study Guide 5 for Algebra 1. Number 1, identify the factors and coefficients in 5ER. Well, the factors are everything that's being multiplied. So if you've got 5ER, 5 and E and R are all factors, and they're separate, like 5, E, R. Well, that would eliminate A, and here we've got 5E and R, and so B would be an option, and D will not be an option, and C will not be an option. And here it didn't separate the E and R, so let's check the coefficient, and I believe it gives us the coefficient, which is the number that is being multiplied out front, which is the 5, and even though some of them do have it, then B would be the one that has the coefficient is 5 and all the factors, and it has 3 of them are 5, E, and R. Number 2, if you're multiplying variables, you're going to add their exponents, so you have 9 n's being multiplied together and 5 n's being multiplied together. So I have 14 n's and I have 3 m's, so B would be my answer. To simplify negative 3 squared, that means take negative 3 and multiply it by itself, which a negative times a negative is a positive, and 3 times 3 is 9. So that would give me D. Now, negative 3 to the third, notice that the negative is not being cubed. So I've got negative 1 times 3 cubed, which is going to be negative 1 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is negative 1 times 27, which is negative 27, which is B. The square root of 25 is the number multiplied by itself that will give that. Well, 8 squared is 64, 7 squared is 49, 5 squared is 25, and 6 squared is 36, so it has to be 5. Number 6, an experiment consists of spinning the spinner shown. All outcomes are equally likely. What is the probability the spinner will land on an even number? And put your answer in lowest terms. So first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices, so our denominator would be 5, and the even numbers are only 2 and 4. So 2/5, which would be B. To simplify, when you've got parentheses like this, you're going to use the distributive property, and we're going to take the 6 and multiply it to each term. So 6 times 5p cubed would be 30p cubed. And if you look, that will eliminate one answer. And then now let's take the 6 times the negative 6p, which would be negative 36p. And they left off they didn't distribute here, they didn't leave the p off here, and so it has to be D. Number 8, evaluate 8 over x plus 10y for x equals 8 and y equals 6. So you've got 8 over 8 plus 10 times 6, which is 1 plus 60, which is 61, which is B.